Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 24th, 2022. Let's talk about Block today. Let's talk about SQ. Is the stock going to continue to crash, or is this a buying opportunity? I'm going to talk about that today, so you guys don't have to worry. I'm going to give you all my perception as to what I think the price is going to do, so that we can be prepared for the market move and not be scared, not question, not wonder, because we are forecasting. Yes, I said we're going to predict where prices are going to go. So today's your first time seeing my video. Hey, I'm gonna keep it real. You're at a great spot. Because I'm here to give you all price predictions. I'm not here just to give you my opinion. I'm not here to show you no new technical indicators, no new software, no new strategy. I'm not here to give you my DCF, discount cash flow model, to try to determine what is the valuation of this stock. I'm not going to give you no fundamental analysis. We're not going to listen in on our earning calls, nothing, because you cannot quantify the price of stocks with all of that I've just mentioned. You can't. The only way that you're able to quantify a stock is by what people are willing to buy and sell. Everything else is just noise. Everything else is just garbage. That is why I strictly focus in on the price bars and the volume and nothing else. Go back and look at all of my hundreds of videos that I've done in stock price prediction. You guys can actually see it. It's there. The proof is there that you don't need to understand fundamental analysis. You don't need to understand earnings per share. You don't need to see what's been said on earnings conference calls. You don't need to think about the newest and latest technical indicator, because it doesn't justify what price is and where price is going to go. Take a look. I did a video in Square or Block on February the 3rd. Right here. Let me zoom in so you all can see it. Right there. Yeah, if you haven't even seen that video, you guys can go back and actually listen to it today. It's still in the playlist. It's in the Block Square playlist right now, to show you the proof, to be fully transparent, that I anticipated that the price in Block was going to go down. And here we are today. Yeah, we're trending lower. As a matter of fact, the market in pre-market is already around $82.75. So we got that ultimate TP price out of this market, right? 25.96% down there at the bottom. So now let's get rid of it. I think that is done. So if you don't realize what a bear market looks like, you're looking at one right now, right? If this particular stock was going to be a formidable player in the future, we would not have seen this value of this stock from October, just a couple of months ago, 2021, to where we are at now. We lost 67% of this stock's value. 67. So from October, ending of October, ending of November, ending of December, ending of January, and ending of February, we've lost 67% in 4 months. That's ridiculous. This is what a bear market looks like. Look how long it took Square or Block to go from where we are at now, which is around June 2020, to hitting that all-time high in October. So it took this market from June 2020 all the way until August of 2021. So a year and a couple of months to hit all-time highs. For us to go from $89 to $280, it took us a year and a couple of months. It just took us 4 months to come back down to that price. Market trends higher slower. It takes the market longer to go up than it does to fall down. All right, always remember that. So I think we understand where we're going to go, though, right? I think you all can just see from the chart that the market weakness is still intact. It hasn't gone anywhere. This is not a buyer's market. I know there's been videos on YouTube. I know everyone is telling you all to come in and buy these dips. Everything is seemingly, they come up with these mantras to fool you into thinking that it's a buying opportunity, that the stocks are on discount. Yeah, it looked like Square or Block is still on discount. When you look at it from a monthly perspective, because we only got 4 days and a couple of hours left, so let me show you all the monthly chart. Okay, let's keep it real. This is a very ugly chart, and I think that we can play the weakness here into the market in square until we see price break back up above $100. Like, we should not have seen, and this market really wanted to go up, it would not be breaking or trading below 100 right now. It wouldn't be doing it, because back here in 2018, that price, $100, was acting as restriction. And then look here, we broke outside of that restriction in square 2020. Here we are today, breaking back down below $100. I don't think people understand what that means. It means that the market is massively weak and that we should not be expecting in the long term square or block to start this massive upward trend outside of it doing this. This is the only thing that's going to keep this stock alive. Okay, right there. So let me clean up this chart because I want to make sure we look at this clean. Okay, do you see this trend here? This is the current trend into the market in square. So I'm gonna keep it real. The buying opportunity for you to come in and buy this stock is right here. That is where we need to see the buyers come in, and this is where you're going to buy the stock on the low, real cheap, $60. It might be a little bit higher, but this is the vicinity that we need to focus in on right now. Now I know you're not going to get that. I'm gonna keep it real though. That is the prime location to come in and buy this stock on the low, with their understanding that the buyers could keep the market propped up just like it did during the month of March and April 2020. We need to see that again in 2022, however it takes for us to come down to this particular location. And not only that, look at this. We also see support around that area too. Right there. So this is the crossroads, right there around $60, $62. I'm telling you this in February. Market hasn't even came down there yet, but we can see it. I can definitely see that happening on the price chart. So what do we have? Well, we still got weakness, and I'm still looking for block to continue to trend lower, especially us seeing the market break $100 to the downside. So we're going to continue to follow the price. We're going to follow the market. The market is already letting us know where it's trying to go. We haven't found the buyers yet. So let's go ahead and let me give you my price targets. Okay. I'll take that away. And the first area that I'm looking for the market to come is block or square. It's right there around $70. That's my newest area for us to see this market come towards in block. Biggest area, my second area, is all the way down here towards like $60. Okay, so now let me do this. I'm gonna hit this back over to the daily, because what we like to do, we like to follow the market on a daily basis. Okay, so now let me bring this over. I'm sure I got this on where we closed on yesterday. Zooming out. Go ahead and get rid of that because I'm looking for the market in square or block to continue to go lower. And that first area was $70, right? Let me hit this back over the monthly, see. Yep, right there around 70. Okay, so we're going to look for the market in block to go down to $70. Okay, that's the first area, 70, and that will give us what? 20.25% movement to the downside. So we got $70 first as our price target area first, and then like 63, 65 dollars for the second area. Yeah, let's do around 65. Okay, so that's it. I'm done. I mean, I think you guys can see what we're looking for to in terms of price movement and block. The market is still weak. We haven't found the buyers yet, especially by us seeing price trade below $100. All right, I'm done. It's your turn. Welcome to the team. Real quick, let me know, what do you all think about the market price and square? Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? What do you suspect price is going to do as we approach March, April, May timeframes? All right, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.